Hello everyone, welcome back our channel. This informative video about computer graphic and image processing laboratory course code is 21 CSL 66. This course for 6th semester in 21 scheme students. In this video we will learn the some basic idea about computer graphic and image processing laboratories series. Next, this course highly beneficial for our career support. And next, in this video also we will learn the basic programs. What are the programs are there in the computer graphic and image processing laboratory, and what are the in this course we will develop the mini project. So that project they are give the some basic ideas. Next, we will also learn the image processings. Next, so what are you waiting? So let's get started the video. Code for computer graphic and image processing laboratory is 21 CSL 66. It is a practical course with 0 hours of lecturers, 0 hour of tutorials, and 2 hour of practical session per week. The total hour of pedagogy are 24, and the course carries 1 credit, and the continuous internal evaluation means CIE carries 50 marks, while the semester end examination means CSEE after carries 50 marks with a total of 100 marks. This is the course details of the computer graphic and image processing laboratory. Next, course objective is first objective is demonstration of the use of OpenGL. Next objective is demonstration of the different geometric object drawing using OpenGL. Next, third objective is demonstration of 2D or 3D transformations of on image on simple object. Third course objective is demonstration of 2D or 3D transformation on simple object. Next, fourth course objective is demonstration of the lighting effect on the created object. Next, fifth course objective is demonstration of the image processing operation on images. This is the course objective of the computer graphic and image processing laboratory. Next, this course can be divided into part A and part B. First part is a list of programs, and second part is a mini project, suggested mini projects. First, let us see the part A. In part A, a student can require to develop and execute programs in the laboratory using OpenGL and OpenCV or Python. Here are the program names. First program is develop a program to draw line using Bresman line drawing techniques. Next, second program is develop a program to demonstrate basic geometric operation on 2D object. Third program is develop a program to demonstrate basic geometric operations on 3D object. Next, fourth program is develop a program to demonstrate 2D transformations on basic object. Next, fifth program is develop a program to demonstrate 3D transformations on 3D object. Next, sixth program is develop a program to demonstrate animation effect on the simple object. Next, seventh program is write a program to read digital image, split and display the image into 4 quadrants like up and down and right and left. Next, eighth program is write a program to show rotation, scaling and translation on an image. Next, ninth program is read an image and extract and display low level features such as edges and textures using filtering techniques. Next, 10th program is write a program to blur and smooth an image. Next, 11th program is write a program to contour an image. Next, 12th program is write a program to detect faces in an image. These are all the part A list of programs. It contains the practical programs are 12. Okay, next part B is mini project. In part B, students are required to develop mini project and demonstrate it during the laboratory examination. Some of the suggested projects are: first project is recognition of a license plate through an image processing, recognition of a face emotion in real time, detection of drowsy driver in real time. Next, fourth project is recognition of handwritten by image processing. Next, fifth project is detection of kidney stone. Next, sixth project is verification of signature. Next, seventh project is compression of a color image. Next, eighth project is classification of image category. Next, ninth project is detection of skin cancer. Next, 10th project is marking system of attendance using image processing. Next, 11th project is detection of liver tumor. Next, 12th project is iris segmentation. Next, 13th project name is detection of skin disease and or plant disease. Next, 14th project is biometric sensing system. Next, 15th project is projects that help farmer understand the present development in agriculture. Next, 16th project is project that help high school or college student understand the scientific problems. Next, 7th project is a simulation project that help understand innovation in science and technology. Okay, these are all the part A and part B programs. Okay, and programs and mini project. Next, let us see the benefits for the students. This course is highly beneficial for student interested in pursuing career in computer science, computer graphic, image processing, computer vision or related fields. By completing this course, students will gain hands-on experience in using OpenGL. OpenGL means OpenGL and OpenCV and Python for various computer graphic and image processing tasks. They will develop skills in drawing geometric object, applying transformation, creating animation, and performing various image processing operations such as filtering, blurring, countering, and object detection. Additionally, the mini project component will allow students to apply their knowledge to real world problem and develop a practical solution. These skills and experiences will be invaluable for students seeking internships, jobs, or pursuing further studies in the field of computer graphics, image processing, and our computer vision. Okay, these are all the beneficial for the student. Okay, in conclusion, are you watching this course of a list of program, list of project and benefit of these courses? In the next video, we will one by one seeing the one by one program, list of programs by in depth of concept and theory, concept and practical knowledge. Okay, we will see on the next video by starting of first program. Okay, until then, bye bye, take care.